rSmart creates a cohesive environment for online learning. Once you sign in, you'll be able to easily create courses using simple templates. To create your course, just add a title, a description, some tags, set your privacy and membership settings, and then create your basic course. I'm going to show you one that's already been created for this demonstration. Once you create your course, you'll be able to see many tools and features that you would expect to see from any learning management system available today, like discussions, tests and quizzes, calendar, a grade book, and more. But rSmart doesn't call these tools. It calls them widgets, so that at any time you can add a widget or content at any element of your course, so you get to really guide your students' learning. In this course, Dr. Bob Livingston decided to sequence his content by weeks, so that way the student knows what to do each week and what tasks he or she needs to complete. How did he create this course? Well, it's easy. You add a new area. So you can add a new or existing document. You can add a participant list, maybe some content that you have stored in your library, or a widget page. Once you create these areas, keep in mind that it's really easy to move them around and create them any way that you want. So maybe you don't want to create it by weeks. Maybe you want to create or sequence your content by modules, or maybe by learning outcomes. It's really up to you. Once you have these areas set, then you can go in and edit your pages and add content and widgets. So for week 2, task 1, Dr. Bob Livingston wants his students to watch this video and then answer a question. So what he does is he goes and edits the page and adds content and then adds widgets. So we added a remote content widget and linked to the YouTube video, and then added a discussion widget. So for task 2, again, you can go and edit the page, add text, add your content, add your widgets, and save. I encourage you to do the same, to create a course and start adding new areas and widgets. Another great thing about rSmart is that it really allows you to create a socially aware learning environment. So if you look at the course roster, for example, you can see all the members of this particular course. Then you can see who their contacts are and make connections there, or also see content. So for example, Kenzie, who's a student, has a few contacts that maybe I want to be contacts with as well. I can also see what's in her library and see that this document or business terms would actually be something that I'd want to add to my library. Or maybe I want to share it beyond rSmart, with Facebook or Twitter, for example. You'll see that once you start using rSmart, it's very easy and it's really a lot of fun.